Hi, welcome to Shooter Make Drinks. I'm Shooter McKirsch and I make drinks. So today is the second episode, and in the second episode I'll make you today the Old Fashioned. The Old Fashioned is a very simple cocktail. Everybody should make it. Should be able to make it at home. It's just ingredients: whiskey, normally bourbon, but okay. Then an Angostura bitters and a little bit of sugar, and that's already it. Of course, you need ice in a glass, but I think that's normal. So the Old Fashioned is actually called Old Fashioned because like the old way of making a cocktail was actually the first one. Before, people were just like serving whiskey in a glass. So if you're in a bar and come to the bar and say, hey, I want a whiskey, then you serve it, right? And back then in the 19th century, it was like 10 cents. So of course, I assume, I don't know if this is real history, but of course Shooter knows stuff, you know? So I would assume that like the bartender would be like, okay, instead of charging 10 cents, I just make a little bit extra work. Old fashioned, 20 cents. But okay, who knows if that's true. So let's start with the cocktail, or with the old fashioned. Okay. Normally you put a sugar cube. I don't do sugar cubes because I don't have them. Maybe in future. So I just put 1 spoon, maybe a little bit more. Depends how sweet you like it. Then, if you go special, put some Angostura dashes inside. Like this. And then you can put soda water, usually yes, but of course I got filter water to make it good, you know. And then you give a little bit of extra love, you know, that's the love, you know. You just like, you know, spoon it. Well, in a professional bar they have like these things, but of course you can just make it a little bit like this, you know, because at the end you need to make it liquid, you know, sugar. And then once you do it, you know, you put a little love in it, you know, stir, love, love, love. And once you're done with that, you're almost finished with it. Because then, well, you can smell it, the Angostura. You put a nice, beautiful, big ice cube. You see that? Big. You know, just buy it, you know, can buy it online, all these trays. Because like the small, it's not nice, you know, just put a big one in here. Very easy. And then a little bit of whiskey. Okay, and then you pour the whiskey in a glass. Let it out. Very professional. And then you stir it a little bit. Stir. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and now comes the special place. No, because that's important. A lot of people forget it because they just think, oh, it's just like the normal things. No. You gotta put some orange peel in there. Yeah, you could also put lemon peel, but okay, you know, just keep it simple today. Orange peel, my friend. You know, you just peel it. That's how you do it. You just peel. Last time I did it, I hurt my fingers. That's not too nice. Okay, now you got that peel. You know, and that's now you're like, you know, get a little bit of oil out, the orange, you know, oil, essential stuff. I don't know how you call it in English. And then you rub it on the glass. And on the ice as well. Ooh. And then you put the peel in. And that's the special. You know, and because if I drink it, I would say, of course, it's perfect. So that's why I brought my friend, you know, Mr. Yaroslav. Hello? You try it. Tell me how it is.
Pretty good.
Well, see, pretty good. That's how I wanted to see it, you know, because if you bring guests, that's what you want to hear. Okay, that's the Old Fashioned, and subscribe my channel because I want to have, you know, better ingredients. Okay, see you.